The 1958 Mack Model B isn't just a truck. It's a wheeled legend, a machine that defied time and redefined toughness. Built to last, designed to work, and now recreated with millimeter precision in 3D so its legacy never disappears. Picture a steel giant, painted red, with an engine that roars like a lion and a cab car from stone. That was the 1958 Mack Model B, a truck that asked no permission to conquer roads, construction sites, and mines. Its name meant strength. Its design was a power statement. And today, decades later, we've brought it back, not in metal and diesel, but in polygons and textures, keeping it alive in the digital age. This isn't just another 3D model. It's an obsessive reconstruction, a technical tribute to a mechanical beast that defined an era. From frame rails to the last bolt, everything's there. The leaf spring suspension, the 10-speed transmission, the ground-shaking Thermodyne engine. Even the interior, with solid steering wheel and vinyl seats, is recreated with an accuracy that would move a 1950s engineer to tears. There's something deeply poetic about this model, something beyond polygons and textures. Like that melancholic truck from the book From My Truck's Sad Eyes, this 3D Mack Model B isn't just metal and code. It is soul. Every curve, every shadow, every detail is modeled with the devotion a writer pours into words, capturing that intangible essence that turns machines into characters. The French novel showed us how trucks can be silent witnesses to human stories, travel companions collecting memories in their sheet metal. This 3D model is our attempt to digitally recreate that magic. So in your renders, games, or animations, this Mack becomes not just a vehicle, but a silent storyteller. Because classic trucks, like great literary characters, deserve to live on, even if only in ones and zeros. But this isn't just nostalgia. It's a functional model optimized for games like Euro Truck Simulator or Assetto Corsa, under 300K polygons, yet impossibly detailed. Doors open, the steering wheel turns, the 2K PBR materials capture every light reflection on its body. It's the Mack Model B in essence, but ready for the 21st century. Who's this for? For those who know classics never die. For developers wanting a truck with soul in their games. For 3D artists seeking the perfect model for renders. For historians preserving immortal engineering. This Mack isn't just an object. It's a bridge between past and future. So tell me, ready to put it back on the road?